In this tutorial, we will show you how to lock and unlock functionality on your Sundance 880 series hot tub. To activate the lockout functions on your Sundance 880 series hot tub, start by tapping the screen to wake it up and then tap the Settings icon, then Locks icon. Your hot tub has 3 lock settings: Settings, Access, and Maintenance. Choose the lockout option you want to activate. Next, set a 4-digit code and tap the green button to confirm. Tap the return arrow twice to get back to the main menu. To unlock the spa, just follow the same steps and enter your 4-digit code. That's it. For more helpful tips, be sure to check out our other Sundance Spa tutorials from The Great Escape. See you next time.